Um, Morning again. Once more, I want to do a trade setup on this pair: Ethereum USD, Euro USD, USD JPY, and GBP JPY. I want to be sure if the setup is okay. So, share your view with me if the setup is okay. So, starting from Ethereum USD, okay, I'm going to the 1 hour time frame. And on the 1 hour time frame, seeming as if it's on a bullish trend. And, I would pick this point. I'm supposed to draw basically on the lower eyes. This is correct, I don't know. And then I also put this point in your time frame. Okay. I don't know if you can expand like this or it's too much. Like this though. Okay, so from what we have now, price has bounced on this point, and maybe might have entered a trade around here because there's a I think this is a morning star around here, although this was an engulfing candle. The confirmation didn't break out from the wick of this candle, so it can be ignored. But then this came back again, and this created a morning star with a confirmation about this point, in which case might have entered the trade there. So if I had entered the trade, it would have been about this point, and with the okay as the lowest lot size, enter the trade here, it would have been a 2 pip stop loss, and I targeted about 9 USDT, US dollars, a risk of 2 and something dollars. Well, I've given about 1:2 point something risk to reward ratio, but then might have been able to also enter another trade that is forming now in the 15 minutes time frame. I think if I drew this, I don't know if this will work, like this. So the trade would have been long overdue.
Hello, sir.
Also, like this.
Hello. Yes. Good morning, sir.
Like this. So
okay, sir. Please. This time
I have entered the trade around this point, and probably around here for a buy at the lowest lot size with the risk as $1 and targeted up. So since these were not there and it's a late trade, maybe I'll just enter this trade now, even though it's gone high. Probably going to be $2 or so. Okay, it's about $1.7 risk, and the reward so the reward will be okay. Reward will be like $4, so 1.4 $1.7 to $4 reward is not a bad one. That's more than $2, more than 2 times risk reward ratio. So I've entered the trade. I closed the trade for yesterday. That was the last trade from day for yesterday to today. So I've entered this trade now, and let's see how far it goes. Beginning to go. So going to the Euro USD. Okay. Let me see. On our 1 hour time frame. Okay. I don't know what to do here. In the 1 hour time frame, it's seeming as if it's going on a retracement, but then drawing the trend line. Not forcing it. Okay. And so draw these lines. So it was drawn here. My problem is, it seems sometimes it doesn't get to the line. Don't know what to do about that. Then I don't know if the next one is supposed to be here or maybe here. This way I'm a little confused about. So please correct me. I'm going to put it around here. Maybe this one is supposed to be here. Just give me a correction anyway, because I'm a little confused in that aspect. So if it is here, if I'm correct, let me know. And then I think I might want to draw one more trend line. Sorry, not trend line. Yes. Maybe one more line. I don't know though. Maybe this means a lot, but you correct me if I'm wrong. Probably maybe it's supposed to be around here. Correct me anyway. Holding on to see. Then I'll go to the 15 minutes time frame and watch what am I looking for here. I think I'm still looking for a sell. Let's see. But whatever happens around this region, will determine what I'm going to do. So, watching to see either it pushes up or it breaks this place, retest, and then come down. So, I'm watching to see the lowest time frame. So, move to next one, which is DPJPY 1 hour time frame. Wow. Okay, this is really an uptrending market. You can see it using my trend line. Not forcing anything. Okay. Not forcing it. If this is correct, let me know. And so I will put this here. And I think this also. This also around here. So I also do not know, maybe I can put around here. Question I asked yesterday was, is it only at swing lows? Is it at lower lows or lower highs? Is that higher low or lower lows? That it has to be, and it said it's supposed to be either higher low or lower low where I'm supposed to draw it. So with this there's no lower low. There's no lower low. And I'm picking this to see if it actually bounces around here, making a confluence with this and see what happens next. So that's for USD JPY. So meanwhile now, there is really nothing I want to do, because on my 1 hour time frame there is nothing that's happening. On my 15-minute time frame, I have drawn a trend line around that top and seeing what will happen there, but then I leave it. And then for the last one is the GDP USD with this and the 1 hour time frame. Okay, I would, wow, also draw a trend line at this point, and wow, trend line has actually bounced. And then I'll draw this point, lower the conference. Yes. Also at this point, even though it has passed, then I think I'll draw one more line this point just to see what will happen around there, and I'll watch out to see, beginning from this time frame, to know what's going to happen. It's almost having a reputation of the Euro USD trade. Good. So what happens here at the end of the day will determine what I'll do. So for now, I'm just holding on to see. But it will be better if it goes down to show a downtrend. Would have entered the trade in this point with this engulfing candle and this confirmation. This engulfing candle. With this engulfing candle and this confirmation, would have been nice to enter a trade there. Maybe if I had gone to the lower time frame, let me see, 15 minutes time frame, top down analysis. It's a good trade also. Might have entered it after this after this trade, after this movement. You've entered it after this movement. 1, 2, 3. And you enter after this movement. And at least it should have given me this because it bounced on the trend line 3. Entered on this level. Let's put a stop loss. You see, it have been a good trade anyway. Been a good trade. Enter at this level. 1, 2, 3. Do my stop loss here. Stop loss will be $2 at least, and the take profit will be $3 and still more $4. That means 1:4 in this trade. So this is the extent of what we've done. So help me check to see if the analysis is good enough. Thank you.